Hi guys, welcome to Software Tech. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can add CSS animation like this in your WordPress blog using WP Bakery Page Builder. Let's refresh the page. Now you can see it will take a time of 1 second. Scroll down, it will fade in after 1 second. To add CSS animation like this, first you need to log into the dashboard. Now go to plugins and click on add new. Now go to upload plugin, choose file, and I am selecting VC Super Bundle plugin. I have added link in description. You can download this plugin for free from there. Now click on install now. Wait until installing. After installation, click on activate plugin. Now you have successfully installed the Super Bundle for WP Bakery Page Builder, which I have downloaded from given link. Now go back to dashboard. Now before proceeding further, please like, share and subscribe our channel for more informative tutorials about WP Bakery and WordPress. Now go to posts and click on add new button. Add post title and publish the post. Now click on WP Bakery Page Builder and then click on Backend Editor. Now click on this Add Element button. Go to Super Bundle section and here you can see CSS Animator. Click on it. Here you can see functionality. You can disable it from mobile or enable on all devices. Here you have CSS animation. I am selecting fade in. Add animation duration to 3 seconds and animation delay to 1 second. Now save changes. Click on this plus button and add any widget from there. I am selecting heading. Add heading text. And save changes. Now click on this plus button. Click on text block. Save changes. Now preview the changes. Now it will take delay of 1 second and then appear. Total animation will take 3 seconds that we put in settings. Now go back to editor. Edit the widget and change animation. I am selecting this flip top to bottom 3D. Save changes and review changes. Now it looks like this. Now go back to editor. Edit more text or widgets under it. I am selecting single image. Add image. I am selecting this one. Click on set image. Change its size to full and save changes. Now preview again. The image will appear with this text and adding section. That's how you can add CSS animation in your blog using WP Bakery and Super Bundle add-ins for WP Bakery plugin. Hope you learned something from this tutorial. If so, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.